Hello YouTube. Well, today, nice little drizzly rainy Sunday. I am in Lamar, Missouri, the birthplace of Harry Truman. There's a house behind me. His folks bought it for $685 in 1882, and he was born here on May 8th, 1884. Now, he wasn't raised here. This is just where he was born. When he was 11 months old, his parents moved north to Harrisonville. But we're gonna take a look inside. It's a tiny little house. So here's the front door, and if you notice that horseshoe above the door, Harry's father nailed that up there and planted a pine tree in celebration of his son's birth. The pine tree has since been removed. They do have a cross section in the visitor center across the road, but the horseshoe remains. So the house is sort of like a TARDIS. It seems like it's bigger on the inside than it is on the outside, but there's a living room. The furnishings aren't original, but they are of the period. I love the kerosene lamp, and of course with the weight up there and the chains, you could pull it down to fill it, raise it back up, and a very interesting stove. And then in this room, this is where Harry was born on May 8th, 1884. Sit in the kitchen. I like the built-in china cabinet. And there's another little bedroom off to the side. And of course, Saturdays roll around and it's time for a bath. And the kitchen stove is right out here. So as you come up the stairs, off to the one side is the master bedroom. And to get through it, you pass through the guest bedroom, which is right at the head of the stairs. And that little room off the side of the kitchen, that was for a hired hand that worked over at the stables that Harry's father owned. And of course the facilities are right out back. Much shorter walk than General Pershing had to go through. Now, around the side of the house, or the back of the house, is a smokehouse and a well. Now this well is 35 feet deep, and it is still in operation, still produces water. So with that, I think I am going to leave. It's a little short video, but again, it is a small house, not a ton of history. Well, I think it's going to be a little short video, just where Harry was born, and I am going to go find myself a spot and sit out the rest of this rain. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little nicer. Then we'll go looking for something else. See you later, YouTube.